I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon. Now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap verse. It's all good, but keep feeling the same traces, reminding from your bases, so we're coming all faces. So now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap verse. Cause I'm on mission like the 007. I will never let a sucker start an Armageddon. Now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme, not even rap verse. It's all good, but keep feeling same traces, providing fucking bases, overcoming all phases. So now you're telling me you wanna touch your mic first, even though you have to fucking rhyme.